Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off automatic download magazine issues for offline readings on the news app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on news. Next in here we scroll down and in the automatic downloads section, tap on download issues. Tap on that to switch it off or turn on automatic downloads of issues. In here it says automatic download magazine issues for offline reading. You will require an Apple News Plus subscription. And after that you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.